Vitamins. Vitamins are substances that your body needs to grow and develop normally. The word vitamin comes from the Latin word vita, means life. Vitamins are organic substances. They are micronutrients required in small quantities. Actually, vitamins are not synthesized in the body. We do not generally suffer from vitamin deficiency. The source of vitamins to our body is through two ways. One is diet and other is bacteria present in the intestine that synthesizes and supplies vitamin to the body. The term vitamin was first discovered by Funk. Vitamins are classified into two groups. One is water soluble vitamins, B complex and vitamin C, and the other is fat soluble vitamins, vitamin A, D, E and K. If food we take does not contain vitamins in right proportion, it can lead to vitamin deficiency disorders. Vitamins are classified into two types: fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are again classified into four: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, vitamin B7, vitamin B9, vitamin B12 and vitamin C. Vitamin A, also called retinol, has many functions in the body. Vitamin A is important for normal vision. It improves immune system and helps in reproduction. It keeps hair and skin healthy. Vitamin A also helps the heart, lungs, kidneys and other organs work properly. Sources: vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin that is naturally present in many foods. It is available in leafy vegetables, carrot, tomato, pumpkin, papaya, mango, meat, fish, egg, liver, milk, cod liver oil and shark liver oil. Deficiency of vitamin A causes eye and skin diseases. Symptoms: night blindness, the person not able to see in dim light; xerophthalmia, dry eyes; cornea failure, scaly skin. Vitamin D. Vitamin D, also called sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D plays a critical role in maintaining normal blood levels of calcium and phosphorus, helping to form and maintain bones. Vitamin D benefits the body by playing a role in immunity. Children especially need adequate amounts of vitamin D to develop strong bones and healthy teeth. Sources of vitamin D includes liver, egg, butter, cod liver oil, shark liver oil. Sun rays stimulate the formation of vitamin D from the subcutaneous fat. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. Symptoms: symptoms of vitamin D deficiency in growing children include rickets, that is, long and soft bowed legs. Vitamin D deficiency in adults may result in osteomalacia, muscle and bone weakness, soft bones, and osteoporosis, loss of bone mass, bones break easily. Improper formation of bones, knock knees, swollen wrist, delayed dentition, and weak bones. Osteoporosis: here the bones are weak and bones break easily. Vitamin E. It is also called tocopherol. Vitamin E benefits the body by acting as an antioxidant and protecting vitamins A and C, red blood cells, and essential fatty acids from destruction. It prevents from heart disease and cancer. Sources of vitamin E are fruits, vegetables, sprouts, grains, nuts, sunflower oil. Deficiency of vitamin E causes fertility related disorders. Symptoms include sterility in males, abortions in females. Vitamin K. It is also called phylloquinone. Vitamin K is naturally produced by the bacteria in the intestine and plays an essential role in normal blood clotting, promoting bone health, and helping to produce proteins for blood, bones, and kidneys. Sources of vitamin K are green leafy vegetables, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, certain vegetable oils including soybean oil, cottonseed oil, milk, meat, and eggs. Deficiency of vitamin K causes problems related to blood clotting. Symptoms: delay in blood clotting, overbleeding.